Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our second chapter, that is nutrition in animals. In the last day, previous video, already you have studied that alimentary canal. It consists of generally 7 organs of our human body. Generally, that is mouth or the buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Already I have told whenever the food will get utilizing in our body, first of all from the ingestion to egestion, there steps, different steps are there. So that is taking place by this alimentary canal, and this alimentary canal consists of, along with that, some digestive juice which are secreted from the different glands. Yes, like our salivary glands and liver and pancreas, and they are secreting some digestive juice which can help for the digestion. Yeah, but in this we have discussed on the last day. But the first, whenever the food will take inside, that is the first organ, that is which one we are saying, that a mouth. And generally already in the last day also we have discussed about that mouth, what is that, and it consists of that, generally it contains that saliva and a tongue and a teeth. Yes, so saliva, about already I have told that it is one secreted from the salivary gland, and it mixed with that food and it helps to that digestion. Yes. But friends, today we are going to discuss another part which are present in the mouth, that is called as a teeth. Teeth is a very important organ in our body also. It is very important part. It helps for the, like a grinder. Yes, it helps to grind the food and it break down the food particles into the simpler or the small particles which we can easily swallow into our stomach. Yeah, so that's friends. So teeth, what is that teeth? You know that it is required that, what is that? Our calcium also needed. It is very important for to our human body, because without chewing the food we cannot take that to inside. If you will take, it will be undigested. Okay, so it is very important to chew the food properly, then after you have to swallow into the stomach. So students, so today we are going to discuss about that, what is that teeth, how many types of teeth, and about the functions we are going to learn in this video. So let us start, students. First of all, what is that teeth? Teeth are located in the our jaw, that is the lower jaw and upper jaw, in the mouth cavity. So in the mouth cavity there is the 2 jaws are there. Students, in the downside is there, that is called as lower jaw, and the upside is there, that is called as upper jaw. That means it is consist or attached with the jaws, and the jaws are 2 types. One is lower jaw, which are the teeth, some teeth near about 16 teeth are fixed in the lower jaw and 16 teeth are fixed in the upper jaw. So their total number of 32 teeth are present actually in an adult human, but for a child, those who are 18 below, yes, there may be approximately it is near to 28 teeth are present, 14 lower jaw, and in upper jaw 14 are there. So friends, teeth are fixed to the gums, and how there it is fixed, lower jaw and upper jaw, it is fixed to the gums. The red color, that color, you know, fleshy things are there, very strong things are there, it was fixed that. Okay, based on the structure and function, teeth are 4 types. So friends, in our mouth there are 32 teeth are there, but according to their function and structure there are different types. Generally there are 4 types of teeth are there, and one is incisor, and second one is canis, third one is premolar, and fourth one is molars. So generally different types of teeth, they are doing the different works, different functions. Okay, so there see that students, according based on the structure function, there are incisor, canis, caninis, and premolars and molars. So one by one we will discuss what their functions, how many incisor teeth are present in our body or in our mouth, caninis how many are there and what their function, premolar how many are there and what their functions, and molar what is that, and we will discuss. So according to the table, students, I have written here, you can understand types and a number of teeth in humans. In our human body, how many teeth are there, and what are the different types of teeth are there, what their functions I have written. So now see, students, incisor, generally they are total incisor are 8. Okay, students, how many incisors are there? There are 8 incisor teeth are there. Upper jaw there are 4 incisor, and lower jaw that is a 4 incisor, and they what they are for helping cutting and biting that food items. Whenever you want to cut there, we will cut by that incisor. Okay, so there are front 4 teeth are there, so that is called as incisor. Okay, and there are 4 upper lower 4 teeth are there. This front 4 teeth, that is called as incisor. Okay, and there generally lower jaw also 4 are there, so that it helps for cutting or biting the what is that food. Second one is caninis. Do you know the students, caninis means processing or tearing the food. You have seen that tiger, they are very sharp teeth there, where it will come outside. That means the corner of this very sharp teeth here like that is there. So means if you see that teeth just like that in sharp like that is there. So like that teeth is there, that is called as what is that caninis. So okay, that caninis how many are there? There are 4 totally there. That upper part 2 is there, upper part 2 is there, and a down part also 2 is there. Okay students, so this like a sharp point is there, very sharp there, that can catch and they can tear. So generally you will find out that tigers and human beings also 4 caninis is there. So these are the for helping for what purposes? For preserving and tearing the food. That if you want to cut and you want to tear that with that we can tear. And next premolars. Premolars means what the students? And it helps for chewing and grinding. Whenever you want to chew, that time premolar with we can chew. And there are how many are there? 8 are there. In this side 2, in this side 2 lower jaw, upper side 2 and 2. Total how many are there? 8 premolar what teeth are present in our mouth. Okay, same like molar also 6 and 6. This side 3 it will be, so total 12 are there. 3 this side 3, this side 3, and upper jaw also 3 and 3. So total 12 are there. So if we check that total 20 means 32 teeth are present in an adult human being. But if below that 18 years, that time we will get that maybe maximum 28 teeth we can find out for a child, or before the 18 years old, and after that 18s we will get that remain 4 teeth. Okay, so that is called as what is that? That will remain 4 jo 32 teeth are there, that 4 teeth we will get after that 18 years after we will get that 4 teeth. Total 32 teeth are there for a adult human. Okay, now students we will again next part is there students, the milk teeth. Do you know the students milk teeth? Milk teeth means generally when the child the age whenever the child will born, at that time there is no teeth. Yes, infant, that is time there is no teeth, without teeth, that is he or she will born. But after the 6th month the teeth will start, and that it will stay near about that 6 to 8 years. Okay, and that up to 6 years after that that teeth will fall down and you will take out. So that teeth generally called as milk teeth. Then after one permanent teeth it will develop after the 6 to 8 years after. Okay, and there are general how many teeth are milk teeth are there? There are 20 milk teeth are there in our mouth. Okay, so these are called general milk teeth, and there are 20 milk teeth are there teeth in a baby. So now students, another one part also is present in our body, that is very important part, that is called as a tongue. Tongue is a muscular organ, and muscular fleshy organs are there which are helping for that food for that to press or to changing that what is that direction, and to push that food to into the inside or to the esophagus. So how it is helping, how it is moving direction, and how it is mixing that food for that chewing, that we are going to learn. So see students, tongue a fleshy muscular open it is organ, it is attached to the back and free at the front. Students, whenever you have seen that our tip part, it is no attached to anywhere, but in the back side it is attached to that our neck. Yes, so what will happen whenever that we want to chew that food, or whenever we want to mix that food, by the tongue we are pushing to that food to our near the teeth. That means the food can mix, especially the saliva can mix with the that food with. Okay, it helps the mixing the chewing food and with the saliva it helps the swallowing the food. Whatever that food we are taking we can swallow by the tongue. It will push to our esophagus and that through that esophagus it will go to the stomach. And it helps the different taste of the buds, taste of the food with the help of taste buds. Students, it is very interesting thing, students, how we are finding the taste of that food. Now there one buds, taste buds or cells are there. Whenever we will take that food, so we can find out that what is the taste of the food. Yes, by the tongue only we can find out the taste of the food. Generally the tongue can find out the 4 types of food. One is sugar taste and sweet taste, and another one is salty taste, and salty taste, sugar taste, and what is that, sweet taste. So these are the 4 types of taste we can find out, and every different part of that tongue is there, that with that we can find out taste of the food. Okay students, I hope you have understand about that what is that mouth, and it contains that especially organs like saliva and teeth and the tongue. Thank you all of you students, have a nice day. Next part esophagus and stomach, that as usual, and we can continue in the next upcoming video. Thank you all of you.